These are mango margarita popsicles. Okay, she took a cute little bite. Okay, so we dropped some mango slices into our blender. Firstly, come behind that with some tequila, a little bit of agave nectar, some mango nectar, fresh squeezed lime juice. Get squeeze that lime in there. Look at that coming out. Ooh, boy. All right. So you see, making a kind of a little margarita here, some salt, and we blend that bad boy up, right? Slice up some raspberries just to give this some color because we're going to put these raspberries in there. So you drop some raspberries in, pour the mix in, okay? Beautiful, beautiful. Get that mix in there. Cut up a little bit more raspberries, you know, and you drop them on the bottom too, just to have raspberries kind of throughout this, okay? You stick a popsicle stick through a lime, put it on top, put it in the freezer, harden it, peel it off. This is a pretty simple treat, fun, easy, cute. And there you have it. Then you can take a little sexy bite. Ooh, look at me, I'm eating popsicles.